Yard drainage. One of the solutions is a French drain. Let's get into this right now. Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. If you're a homeowner, you realize how helpful it is to have a proper drainage system and how stressful it can be when there is standing water in various different parts of your yard. You can consider yourself lucky if runoff water does not actually affect your home. For others, drainage issues can cause a nightmare problem for you, your family, and your property. If simple fixes don't address your drainage problems, you may need to consider more complex and sophisticated drainage solutions with pipes, grates, and drains. This includes a French drain system. Today we'll go over what a French drain is and why you might want to consider one of these for your home. Let's learn about how French drains work. The French drain isn't actually French, it's just named after Henry French. A French drain is designed to catch the water instead of it being stagnant in different areas of your yard. The water will run through the gravel-filled trench and then go to the perforated pipe below the said trench. You have different options when it comes to where the water is going to exit, depending on where your home is located on the property. To achieve the best result, it is advised that you slope toward the bottom of the trench an inch for every 8 feet. The perforated pipe and slope of a French drain make it a great option for your drainage problem. Will you be the one to install the French drain in your yard? Exterior French drains have underground perforated pipes and a grate, which is where the water will flow. This will require some digging though. The trenches are also filled with rocks, gravel, instead of soil. That way, the water can penetrate through the surface better and quickly dry up on the surface. You should also make sure that you plan this project thoroughly before you carry out the test. That way, you can save more time, energy, and money once you are certain that a French drain is the best solution for your property. With hiring a professional help, to be honest, even if materials that you will need installing a French drain might be things that you usually see and use, many people still opt to hire a professional. Since this drainage system is supposed to solve your drainage issues, you might want to make sure that this will be properly installed by someone who has done this correctly before and can get it done the right way the first time. If doing it yourself, it can be a very time-consuming task depending on the size of your yard and the extent of the draining problems. If you want to have a French drain in your home right away, then TLC is at your service. Give us a call here at the office at 410-721-2342. We'd love to help you out by giving you a free, no obligation sales estimate and a consultation on your property for your drainage problems. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly.